Hello everyone. This is the demonstration of our CS411 project. So our project is basically build a platform for the NBA basketball fans. This platform will allow users to follow their favorite teams and favorite players, and based on their favorite team and players and other users' preference, we can recommend games to the user so they can watch the game more conveniently. So let's get started. First, we need to sign up. Okay. And email. And select the states for me. That is Illinois. Sign up. And after sign up, the website will allow users to choose their favorite team and favorite players. So, for example, here I want to favorite Chicago Bulls. Chicago Bulls. And for players, I want to favorite LeBron James, for example, and submit. So after the sign up, the user has already logged in the system, and we can check the profile. Here, here is the profile. In the profile page, we can update the user's account informations, for example, and favorite players and favorite teams here. Suppose we want to update the user's password here and confirm. And we want to change our state to Colorado and click update. You can see there's alert notification that shows us we have already changed our password and the state. Okay. And on the home page, we can search the players and search the teams. For example, we want to search a player, Curry, and search. And here, you can see there are two players that has Curry in their names. First is Stephen Curry, and another one is Seth Curry. And in the last column here, we can favorite the players if we want to have them in our profile. So, for example, I want to prefer Stephen Curry, and in the profile page, we can see that now it's in our favorite player list. And for the team, we can also do it in the same way. For example, we want to search Toronto. Here is the statistics for the Toronto Raptors. Here we can prefer the teams, and in the profile page, we can also see that Toronto Raptors is in our favorite teams list. Uh, what? Okay. We can also delete our favorite players if we don't want to favorite them anymore. For example, James here. We can see here. If we have already favorite players, the preference button will change to the delete button, and now we can delete the players. And in the profile, we can check. Now it's gone. LeBron James is not our favorite players anymore. And we can also recommend games based on the user's preference. So before the first time we recommend the games, we'll ask the users to fill up a survey here. to choose their preference. For example, we can choose how the favorite teams is important to them for the game recommendation, or how would like to see their hometown team. So, for example, the team is very important to me, and the hometown team is also very much. And we can submit it, and the system will recommend 5 games for us. Here you can see Toronto Raptors, Indiana Pacers, and that's it for the game recommendation. Let's now see the game visualizations. So basically, we have built 2 data visualization. One is based on the player statistics, and the other is based on the team statistics. And for the player statistics, we have plots all the players on the plot. We can plot all the players by their points, for example here, or by their rebounds, or by their assists. You can see are all 3 different plots. And also we can also filter the players by setting a bar on the points, rebounds, or assists. For example, we want to see the players who at least score 20 points. And you can see that all the players who did not score 20 points will be filled out by the lighter color, and all the players who score more than 20 points will show in this dark color. And for example, we want to see a player who score triple-double average here, so at least 10 rebounds and 10 assists and 10 points. And you can see that there's only one player who score average triple-double here. That's right, Russell Westbrook. Yeah. And let's see the team statistics. So for the team performance here, we plot the team by their win rates here. So the better the team performance is, the team will show under the right upper corner, and the worst team will show on the left bottom corner here. And we can also filter the team by their conference. For example, I want to check all the team in the Western Conference here. Okay, so all the team here will be in the Western Conference, and we can also filter the team by their win rates. For example, we want the win rates be greater than 50% here. 50%. So all the teams that are not win at least 50% of their games will be deleted. It will not show on the plot.